everyone, for an equation x cubed minus kx squared plus 39x minus 27, the three roots form a geometric sequence. We're going to find the value of this constant k. Alright, so basically what we're going to use is this nature or a relationship between roots and coefficients for cubic functions here. We're going to use this one right in here. And then just solve using systems of equations. So we're going to find our roots. Since this is geometric, we're going to use the roots be a, and then the next term would be a times r, and the next term would be ar squared. So using that, this first one right here, you just add up the sum. So the sum's going to be a plus ar plus ar squared. And that's going to equal negative b divided by a. So that's negative k divided by 1. So that's just going to be k. We'll call this equation 1. All right, so now let's do the second one. That's where we multiply everything, and then we'll get c over a. So that's going to be 39. This is your c. So just multiply your roots, and we're going to get a times r plus a times, let me get a little dot here, times ar squared plus ar times ar squared. And this equals 39. I can simplify this, write this as a squared r plus a squared r squared plus a squared r cubed. And then this will equal still 39. Also, I can factor out an ar and just simplify this further. That would be a plus ar plus ar squared equals 39. All right, so that's just this second one we did right here. This is going to be equation 2. And the third one, we're going to do this one. You just multiply all three of them together. So that's going to be a times ar times ar squared, and that equals negative d over a. So that's going to be your d, so that's going to be 27 over 1. This is going to be equation 3. All right. You might want to write them down because I'm running out of room here a little bit. So basically, we're just looking at equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. So by equation 3, we get ar equals 3. Because in equation 3 here, we can write this as a cubed. Oh, this one right here, sorry. This one right here, I can write this as a cubed times r cubed. So this is going to be a r cubed equals, and for 27, I can write this as 3 cubed. So ar equals 3. Because 3 cubed is 27. All right, so now by 2, I can substitute in my ar here. My ar is 3. So looking at equation 2 here, this is going to be 3 times a plus ar plus ar squared. And that equals 39. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 3. And that's going to give me a plus ar plus ar squared equals 13. Therefore, since we have that, that means k equals 13. Because this is going to be your second term here, and we're using this formula here. All right, so basically using your relationship between your roots and coefficients, when you add our roots up, you'll get your k part here, and that equals 13. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.